So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy TRON or TRX in your Trust wallet. So basically, for you to able to buy TRX or TRON, you need to install your Trust wallet first, and after installing it, make sure that you will link your current wallet, or if you have an existing one, but if you don't have, just simply click the create new wallet. So after that, you will redirect to your main dashboard, which will look like this. And for you to able to buy the TRON or TRX, just simply navigate or click the buy icon, which is the blue. After clicking it, use the search bar if you don't see your TRX or TRON. But in my case, I am seeing it on the third part, which is here. So just tender an amount of you wanted to buy the TRX or TRON. Like for example, I wanted in 20 US dollars. So you have much options whether you wanted to pay it with credit card, Apple Pay, bank transfer, or even digital wallet. So below are the provider, which is you will pay with a bunch of options, and after that you will proceed to the billing address. So that's how you buy TRON or TRX in Trust Wallet. If you found it super helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.